the topic that we are going to look now is find the units digit easily. Before getting into solving the sum, there are certain things you should remember before getting into solving the sums. So, first thing is the cyclicity of the numbers. So, what is the cyclicity of the numbers? Is nothing but 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. You can see that there is a pattern in this. After 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 power 5, which is nothing but 32. So, again the units digit end in 2. So, again if you see 2 power 6, the units digit end in 4. So, the 2, 4, 8, 6 pattern repeat every 4 times. So, the cyclicity of 2 is nothing but 4. So, in case of 3, you can see after 3 power 4, in 3 power 5, again we get the units digit as 3. So, after every 4 times, you can see that 3971 in the units digit will be again replaced. So, hence the cyclicity for it is 4. Similarly, in case of 4, we know that 4 power 1 is 4, 4 power 2 is nothing but 16, 4 power 3 is nothing but 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Again, if you see, the units digit is 4. So, 4 6 4 6 will be done after every 2 times. So, the cyclicity is nothing but 2. But in case of 5 and 6, whatever be the powers, you can see that the same digit is repeated. So, the cyclicity is nothing but 1 1 in both case of 5 and 6. In case of 7, you can see the cycle is 4. In case of 8, you know it's 4. And for 9, 9 and 1 will be repeated. So, you should know this table to solve the sums very easily here. So, there is also another concept here, so which I will be explaining while solving the sum. So, let's get started. So, the question that they have given is find the units digit of 1453 to the power 71. So, the first step is that take this digit. So, this is nothing but the last digit is 3. So, the cyclicity of 3 is nothing but 4. So, 4 times in case of 3 is repeated. So, now you have to take the power. Divide 71 by 4. What is this 4? This is nothing but the cyclicity of 3. So, 4 ones are 4, 31, 7s are 28. So, the remainder is 3. So, once you get the L as, you have a value as 3 and remainder you have a value as 3. So, we are going to use this formula L power R, which is nothing but 3 power 3. We know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So, the units digit is nothing but 7. So, what did we do here? First, we have to find L and R. So, L is nothing but the last digit of the given number. So, you write it as L is equal to 3. Then, you should know the cyclicity of that particular number, which is nothing but for 3, it is 4. So, use that number to divide the power. So, 71 divided by 4, the remainder is 3. So, you know L, you know R. So, L power R is nothing but 3 power 3, which is 27. So, units, they are asking for the units digit. So, units digit is nothing but 7. Let's solve another problem. So, the question that they have given is 444 to the power 444. Find the units digit of it. So, what is the first step? L is equal to 4. So, next for 4, the cyclicity is nothing but 2. So, you are going to divide the power by 2. 2 444. So, the remainder is 0. So, what do we do in the case when the remainder is 0? Then comes these two steps. If your remainder is 0 and if your L value comes between 2, 4, 6, 8, then your units digit will always end in 6. If your last digit is 3, 7 or 9, then your units digit is 0. So, here the L value is nothing but 4. So, it comes into the first category. So, L is equal to 4, then the units digit is 6. So, directly you can write that units digit is 6 instead of solving anything. So, this is a very simple way of solving the sum. This applies only when your remainder is 0. Let's solve another problem. The question that they have given is 2016 to the power 2015 minus 2015 to the power 2016. We have to find the units digit of the whole sum. So, let's get started with this. So, 2016 to the power 2015. So, last digit is 6. So, for 6, the cyclicity is 1. So, we have to divide it by 2015, which is nothing but your remainder is going to be 0. So, as L is equal to 6, the units digit is nothing but 6. For this 2015 power 2016. So, L is equal to 5. So, in case of 5, irrespective of whatever be your remainder is or any case, your answer is always going to be 5. That means the units digit is always going to be 5. This is exception case only for the number 5. So you know the units digit here is 6 and here is 5. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the units digit for the overall sum that they are given here is nothing but 1. In today's video, we dealt with how we can find the units digit very easily. In order to solve it, what you have to do is that you have to remember this table and remember the concept that I told, and there are few exceptions like 5 and when the remainder is 0. So these are the few concepts you should know, so that once you know all these concepts, you can solve this sum within a fraction of seconds. The topic that we are going to look today is remainder. So find the remainder of a particular value given in the question. Is the most common question that you can see in any levels of an aptitude exam. We are going to see how we can solve it very easily. So the question that I have given today for us is 19 to the whole power 77 divided by 7. So if you are going to solve it normally, it's going to take a lot of time for you. Let's see how to do it. There are few steps, you should know it by heart to find it very easily. So the first step that we are going to do is that they are given 19 power 77 divided by 7. Leave the 77 as of now. First we will take 19 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14. So remainder is 5. So 5 power 77 divided by 7. Why is it? It's going to give you the same value as 19 power 77 divided by 7. So the first step what we did is, leave the power that they have given, just divide these two, find the remainder, and the remainder becomes your value here, 5 power 77 divided by 7. So this is the first step. Second is, we have to find the number of times the 5 value gets repeated. So first, leave the 77 as of now. Let's say 5 power 1. 5 power 1 divided by 7 is going to give you the remainder 5. 5 power 2 divided by 7. Which is nothing but 25 divided by 7 is going to give you the remainder 4. For the next consecutive steps, you don't have to take it as 5 power 3. Instead of taking 125 divided by 7, what you can do is that multiply the extra power. So 5 power 3 is nothing but 25 into 5. Correct? So this remainder is going to be the same. So 4 into 5 you can do it, which is nothing but 20. So 20 divided by 7, which is nothing but 6. So similarly, next is 5 power 4, which is nothing but 125 into 5. So which is 5 into 6 is nothing but 30. 30 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28 and your remainder will be 2. Similarly, 5 power 5. We directly do it now. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 divided by 7 and the remainder is 3. And for 5 power 6 is nothing but 15. 15 divided by 7 and it's 1. So when it goes to 5 power 7, now we know that we are going to multiply it by 5. Let's say 5 power 7 is nothing but, we have the remainder 1. So 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. It's going to be the same as the first one. So now we understand the cycle repeats every 6 times here. So what do we do it? We know the cycle repeats every 6 times. So now take the power. So power is nothing but 77 divided by 6. 6. We know that 6 2s are 12. Remainder is 5. So in this cycle, take the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the remainder of this is nothing but 3. So how did we do it? Let's have a recap. The first step is that take off the power, whatever the question that they have given is, divided by the value that they have given as a divisor. So 19 divided by 7, we know the remainder is 5. So this value power 77 divided by 7 is going to give you the same remainder as the one given in the question. So first step we found it out. Now we know to find the cycle of the times it gets repeated. So 5 power 1 is 5. Similarly we found it till 5 power 6, after which the cycle repeats it one more time. So it gets repeated every 6 times. Now we are taking the cycle 6 and dividing the power. So how do we do it? 77 divided by 6, the overall remainder is 5. This is nothing but your fifth term in this cycle. So fifth term is nothing but you 3. So 3 will be the remainder of this sum. Let's say they are going to give you the same question. 19 power 200 divided by 7. How to find the answer? Here we know already the value of everything. So 200 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 2. So the remainder is 2. So the second term is nothing but 4. So 19 power 200 divided by 7. The remainder is nothing but 4. It might sound confusing for the first time if you are going to listen to this sum, but if you practice a lot of sum in a similar manner, you can easily find out the value within 15-20 seconds. So if you are a person who is looking for a job, kindly register in our freshersworld.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.